Hello, this is Leo Tech. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset your ZTE Wi-Fi router. Basically, this video helps you to reset and make your Wi-Fi speed faster. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first you have to go to your browser so that you can browse and go to your IP address. So this is my Wi-Fi IP address. So it is different based upon your Wi-Fi router. So this is the ZTE Wi-Fi router. So when you click it, this window will appear. So you have to put your username and password accordingly. So let me put it, and you have to log in. Then when you log into the Wi-Fi router, this window will appear. So basically, as I said earlier, it depends upon your Wi-Fi specification. So most of the Wi-Fi routers have an administration option. So click on administration option. Then after you got into the administration option, you have to go to the system management. So as I mentioned earlier, it depends upon your Wi-Fi router. You have to go to your system management. So in the system management, this window will appear. So we have two options. The first option is an option to reboot or restart your Wi-Fi router, and the second one is in order to reset or in order to restore your Wi-Fi to the default setting. So all we have to do is to click this setting. So when you click this button, it will restore to the configuration to the password default setting. So when you click to the restore to default, it will ask you to confirm. So when you click confirm, automatically your Wi-Fi router will reset to the default setting. So basically by clicking confirm setting, you can easily reset your Wi-Fi setting, and this option will help you to make your Wi-Fi speed fast. So by this simple quick setup, you can easily reset your Wi-Fi router. So for tech related info, subscribe to the Leo Tech channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.